This is the buffer. We are using nylon design. This is the resistor for adjusting the speed, release the heat. Now we'll see the double girder trolley electric panel. You can see each panel, each corner, we have a warning notice. Notice some details. Is clarifications, and this is the digital panel. This is the Schneider components. This is safety monitoring device. You can see that each cable line have cable numbers. See this here. It is. This is the same to the electric panel. Very easy to the electric technician to do this job. Where cable wearing and cable maintenance. Let's close this. After you successfully commissioned cranes, please keep this in your office. Don't leave it on the trolley. It's dangerous after a few years traveling. Maybe missing, you cannot find it. This is the fast connecting plugs, same to the gearbox. Very easy to connect the cables. When you connecting the cranes, you just connecting this side according to the wiring numbers. After connecting this, then push the socket, push the plug to the socket. This is the gear motor. This is the traveling gear motor. You can see this is the plugs. Inside is very easy to connect. Also, after you can see have an overview. For the gear motors, you can see each gear motors we have anti-drop wear load to protect the gear motor. Once the gear motor, the bearing break. If you don't have this, it will drop down. If somebody working under the trolley, it's very dangerous for them. So we have this to once the gear motor drops, it can hold it to protect it, prevent it dropping. You can see this side. This is the trolley wheels. The hardness is 300, more than 380 HB. Material is QT 700. Now let's introduce the trolley. Some functions. You can see this is the hook assembly. This is hook, DIN hook. For this type hoist, this is light type of trolley. The maximum capacity can reach to 80 tons. And this is the lifting motor, square cage motor, 2-speed or VFD speed. This is the lifting electrical panel, IEC standard testing, Schneider or ABB Siemens, electric components, aviation plug, also called convenience plug, faster plugs. This inside is the lifting brake, heavy duty, no adjusting for brake lining. Very long service lives. This is the lifting gear box. You can see the material is CRNI, MO, hardened face gear, side hanging design. This is this one. The rear picker is yellow components. Lifting limit switch, 4-step adjustment, rotation limit switch to protect the lifting. Trolley drive. This is 3-in-1 gear motor. This is dropless latch for the drive. The steel wheel we already see. Steel wheel. Buffer block, the buffer. Dropless latch for trolley. We also have the dropless for the trolley. You can see this. Sorry, this cannot see. This is the steel wheel rope and the rope gather. High strength galvanized steel wheel. The steel strength is 2,160 Newton square per millimeters. To make sure the rope will have a longer service life, anti-deflection. This is where our hoist type trolley applications. Now let's see our undercarriages. This is our undercarriages. We already said if the users don't want the main girders, we can send you undercarriage. We can send you undercarriages, electric hoist, electric control panel, gear motors. This is our modular design. Standard products. It's very easy to connect the main girders. This is the gear motor from this side. You can see the gear is hardened gear. We are using hardened gears. The bearing, we are using this bearing. We are using SWF, NSK, FAG brand. Also this, you can see this. This is a magnetic disc brake. This one. This is the fan, cooling fan, to protect the motor overheating. And this is the fast connection circuit. This from this side. Very convenient to connect the gear motors. When some users receive the products from other suppliers, they feel very tired, very difficult to connect the gear motor. But for our gear motors, don't worry. You just follow our drawing, electric drawing, and the cable numbers. We will make sure you can safely connect the gear motor. This is a magnetic disc brake. This is motor, gearbox. These 3 parts come back to one product. We call it a 3-in-1 gear motor.